Hey everyone, Matthew here. Welcome back to the channel. It's great to have you with me as always, and I hope you're all having an amazing Monday. It is January 19th, 2026, and you're tuned into the Nasdaq Daily Recap. Market news and economic landscape. Today's economic calendar was extremely light, as U.S. markets were observing Martin Luther King Day. With equities closed, there were no scheduled macro releases or major economic data points to digest. On the global stage, attention remained on the 56th Annual World Economic Forum meeting in Davos, Switzerland, where policymakers, central bankers, and global business leaders gathered. Beyond that, the broader macro environment remained quiet, leaving futures markets to trade primarily on technical flow and liquidity conditions. Overnight session. When futures reopened at 6 p.m. on Sunday, the market gapped lower. Our automated system immediately identified the imbalance and entered a short position. That trade was quickly managed and closed for a profit of $184. In parallel markets, silver continued its upside momentum, pushing above the 92 level, while Bitcoin experienced sharp downside pressure, breaking below 93,000. After the initial move, overnight price action stabilized, and conditions remained relatively calm through the remainder of the session. Pre-market data and volatility. During the early morning hours, trading volume stayed notably thin, reflecting the holiday environment. Volatility remained compressed, with price action largely driven by short-term positioning rather than directional conviction. Cash session and intraday trades. At 9:30 a.m., with U.S. equity markets closed, futures volume remained subdued. In response to the low liquidity environment, our system dynamically shifted into scalping mode, focusing on short-duration opportunities and tighter risk control. Meanwhile, silver extended higher and briefly tagged the 94 level, while Bitcoin continued to weaken, trading below 93,000. By late morning, realized profit for the session stood at $161. Afternoon session and into the close. The futures market closed early at 1 p.m., marking the end of a shortened trading day. With liquidity continuing to fade, the system reduced exposure and wrapped up trading for the session. Summary. With the U.S. stock market closed for the holiday, futures markets experienced thin volume and narrow trading ranges throughout the day. Despite the quiet conditions, our automated system navigated the environment effectively and generated a net profit of $163. Thank you for tuning in and being part of this daily journey. I'm Matthew, wishing you all an amazing evening. I'll see you tomorrow for the next Nasdaq Daily Recap.